let's install the rest of the headset. So we have our two bearings, our lower bearing or upper bearing. We have an adapter. I kind of had to make that because I ordered the wrong set. Screw that's just a reducer, so we can get the bearing around the top side. Alright, so let's start putting this guy on here. First we have to grease the inside and outside for the bearings. Otherwise it's going to creak. Oh yeah. If you notice the indentation, we're going to have it pointing up. Put that on top of the crown race. The frame. Set that guy in there. We're going to put on our reducer. Oops, crap. Pull it out. I'm going to put a little grease around that stuff. You're supposed to grease everything except the outside surfaces, so you can go ahead and cover that guy inside and out with grease. Now the grease that I'm using is automotive grease. I'm sure you can use marine grease or bike grease, but it's all the same to me. Get that reducer in there. We'll put our top bearing in there. We're going to point this guy down. You see the groove? After covering over grease, we'll have it pointed down. This little sleeve fits right on top of that bearing. Okay. Next we have a cap. Okay. Now we do have a little gap right there. That's because on my bike the little headset's just a tad bit too small on the top. But that's okay. Alright, we're going to put our stem on there. Greased up real nice. 5mm Allen wrench. I'll tighten that up. Alright, so we just now installed the headset, and I guess that's all we're going to do for right now.